What if I told you that the roof over your head could become the most powerful financial decision of your life? What if the chaos you see in the news, rising interest rates, collapsing markets, shifting cities, is actually your biggest opportunity? This isn't just about property, it's about power, leverage, and legacy. In 2025, real estate isn't just a market, it's a battlefield, and you're about to get the map. The world of real estate is being rewritten in real time. Prices are correcting, new players are entering, and traditional rules no longer apply. Artificial intelligence, remote work, and post-pandemic realities are reshaping how people live and invest. And today, we break it all down, with knowledge that could unlock your path to financial freedom. We're going to uncover the truth behind the headlines. Is 2025 a boom or a bust? We'll decode the interest rate earthquake, unravel new buyer psychology, and reveal hidden investment gems. This video is not hype, it's a real-world masterclass. If you're ready to escape the rat race and earn like the elite, let's begin. Welcome to Ray Financial Hub, where we don't just talk about money, we uncover the hidden truths that can completely change your financial destiny. The interest rate earthquake. Interest rates are the tectonic plates of the real estate world, and in 2025, they're shifting beneath our feet. After waves of inflation between 2023 and 2024, central banks have responded with aggressive rate hikes. In the US, average mortgage rates are at 6.75%, while in places like Nigeria, they're surging past 27.5%. These moves have created winners, losers, and massive opportunity gaps. For everyday buyers, higher rates mean lower affordability. Homes that were once within reach are now priced out of budgets. This has frozen demand in many cities, cooling down what were once red-hot markets. But the smart money sees opportunity in this freeze: undervalued homes, distressed properties, and creative financing options. When most pull back in fear, the bold step forward with strategy. Adjustable-rate mortgages and seller financing are back on the table. Investors with cash or access to private lending are bypassing banks entirely. In commercial real estate, cap rates are recalibrating, creating acquisition opportunities for savvy players. If you want to thrive, you must learn to play with, not against, the rate tide. Don't just track interest rates. Learn how to pivot around them. Creative financing, cash flow projections, and community banking partnerships are tools for your arsenal. The game has changed, but the winners always adapt. Buyer behavior is evolving, fast. 2025 isn't just about properties, it's about people. A new generation of buyers is rewriting the script. Millennials and Gen Z are flooding the market with values rooted in sustainability, digital convenience, and lifestyle integration. They want smart homes, walkable communities, and hybrid workspaces, not just bricks and mortar. The rise of co-buying, rent-to-own, and shared equity models is redefining ownership. Friends are buying homes together. Digital platforms like Zillow, Airbnb, and Nigerian sites like HotBay have become front doors to real estate. Virtual tours, AI agents, and blockchain property records are turning house hunting into an online-first experience. But here's the twist: the more informed buyers are, the more emotionally driven they become. The fear of missing out is as powerful as the fear of financial ruin. This emotional cocktail creates mini booms and sudden busts, city by city. If you understand buyer psychology, you can ride the wave instead of being swallowed by it. Agents, sellers, and investors who leverage social proof, data storytelling, and influencer marketing are thriving. Don't sell a house, sell a future. Understand the minds behind the money, and you'll always stay one step ahead. Is this a good time to invest? Let's ask the million-dollar question: is now a good time to invest in real estate? The answer: it depends, not on the market, but on you. Your strategy, your capital, and your mindset will determine your success. In many cities, prices are correcting, opening rare buy low windows. But in others, bubbles are growing quietly, ready to pop. You need to look beyond the headlines and into the data: job growth, migration patterns, local development plans. These are the clues smart investors chase. Consider asset classes like multifamily units, storage facilities, and Airbnb-friendly properties. Look into areas with economic incentives, like tax breaks or tech investments. The money isn't always where it's obvious. It's where most people are too distracted or afraid to look. This is the golden age of tools. ROI calculators, deal analyzers, and data dashboards can turn anyone into an investor, if they use them well. Real estate is no longer a guessing game. It's a data game. The rise of alternative investment models. Real estate investing used to mean one thing: buy a house, rent it out, collect cash flow. Not anymore. In 2025, investing has evolved into something borderless, digital, and diversified. Welcome to the era of alternatives. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Nigeria's Estate Intel now offer fractional ownership, meaning you can own a piece of a hotel or condo for as little as $500. Tokenized real estate on blockchain is giving rise to liquid, borderless investing. In markets like Dubai and Singapore, smart contracts are buying and selling property faster than agents. Short-term rentals are evolving too. Think less, vacation home, more, experience hub. Investors are transforming containers into eco-retreats, beach huts into content studios, and cabins into solar-powered smart havens. And yes, people are paying a premium for the story, not just the stay. Creative minds are thriving. If you're flexible, open to tech, and community-focused, the world of alternative real estate is wide open. Start small. Learn fast. Scale smart. Global hotspots and emerging markets. Real estate is no longer local. In 2025, it's global, and the smartest investors are already looking beyond their borders. Portugal, Mexico, Dubai, and Rwanda are emerging as goldmines for real estate investment. Why? Stability, innovation, and policy that favors foreign capital. Digital nomad visas and real estate-based residency programs are attracting global talent. Remote work isn't going away, it's growing, and people are choosing quality of life over high prices. That's why second-tier cities and lifestyle destinations are outperforming traditional markets. Think Lagos over London. Medellin over Manhattan. In Nigeria, cities like Abuja, Uyo, and Ibadan are pulling attention. Infrastructure projects, smart city plans, and population growth are pushing demand higher. If you follow the roads, the rails, and the rezoning laws, you'll find the money. Going global requires smart strategy. Learn local laws. Understand currency risks. Partner with locals. And never invest blindly. But done right, international investing is a path few take, and that's where the edge is. Final verdict and freedom path. So, boom or bust? The answer is, both. 2025 is a split screen, on one side, fear, on the other, fortune. The winners will be the ones who don't panic, but plan. Real estate is still one of the fastest, most sustainable ways to build wealth. But you can't play with yesterday's rules. You need knowledge, you need tools, and you need community. That's why you're here. Hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly videos that turn chaos into clarity. And download our free real estate toolkit in the description, your roadmap to real wealth. This isn't just another video. This is your financial turning point. See you in the next one, and remember, your future starts now.